morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 915th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and that would be me. Traders, these videos are being filmed for short-term trading. What should happen tomorrow, maybe into the next day, and then on to the next video. As we know, future trading can be extremely risky. It can cause you substantial financial loss if you do not recognize the risks behind this game, if you do not know that a stop can certainly be and should always be considered your best friend, and if you do not place your stops first, you're probably not suitable for trading futures. You probably do not have the risk capital you need, and you should get up and run. But for you traders that understand the risks, that are ready to rock and roll, let's go, traders. I'm going to do a fast video. I got something to show you. I am going to put my kahunas on the line right now. And let me tell you something. What I'm about to do in plain English requires the balls of an elephant. But I believe in my analysis so much, I am going to put my neck out on the chopping line for you right now and tell you this. For trading on Wednesday, September 12th, 2012, we expect to see this. Fundamentals always come out in the charts first. It's here. I have shown this to you in countless videos. Now, everybody knows that in technical analysis, not everything is 100%, right? Not everything can work 100% of the time because this is a fine art and not a science. However, fundamentals absolutely, positively, unequivocally come out in the charts first if you know how to read the charts correctly. And what the charts are telling me is that the DAX and the Euro are pointed straight up because there is a German vote tomorrow to see if the ECB is allowed legally to give out the money that they're about to give out or buy the bonds they're about to buy to try to do a QE1 over in Europe. The charts are telling me the ECB will get the go-ahead and Germany is absolutely giving the green light. The charts are bullish. That means the report will be bullish. The same thing I'm going to tell you about soybeans. The charts are bearish in soybeans. Big report comes out tomorrow morning. I never trade in front of reports in soybeans, or I seldom trade in front of reports in soybeans. And certainly you don't want to be in front of a report about the ECB from Germany, right? You don't want to be in the Euro? Well, sorry about that, because fundamentals come out in the charts first. I am going to show that to you in a couple of charts right now. And I'm going to tell you this, traders. I'm holding an Omni camp October 26th, 27th, 28th, and 29th this October, the last weekend of the month. And if this works out, that these fundamentals come out in these charts I'm about to show you, you assholes better show up at that Omni camp, because how could you pass up something like that? With no further ado, let's go look at the charts.
Traders, Oscar Carboni is holding another Omni camp live in Las Vegas. Omni camp is an intensive 4-day course taught by the Wall Street whiz Oscar Carboni himself. Oscar has been analyzing markets and trading commodities on and off the New York trading pits for over 30 years. Trading for a living is a very difficult business. Oscar will simplify the process so that you can easily understand and analyze the markets. Classes are limited. For more information, call 702-629-4755. Our phones are staffed 24/7. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. Trading futures is not suitable for all accounts.
Okay, traders, the fundamentals always come out in the charts first. We think they do. Here's the Euro daily bar chart. Started a nice little parallel channel, starting to pick up some steam, and is now challenging the 200 bar moving average the day the report's supposed to come out. I say not resistance, but in fact support, and we blow through it and head towards that red line. The fundamentals coming out in the Euro. A report's due tomorrow. Euro looks very bullish right now, right on the daily. Weekly chart of the Euro. Look at this. It breaks out of this trend it's been in for a year and a half. It's been in this trend. It breaks out of the trend last week, gets above a key Omni average. Traders, look at how this average has had respect. Here, 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 when it here, here. Look at the respect paid to this average. We got above it. We're sitting right here now. Right before the report comes out tomorrow, I tell you that we're moving higher. That's a bullish report showing bullish fundamentals, showing us fundamentals coming out in the charts first for your euro. Now, if Germany is going to announce something bullish, it would make sense for the euro and for this. Look at the German DAX. Look at the trend you've been in on this daily chart for how long now? And boom, you jump above it on Tuesday and settle like that, and a report that should be bullish is coming out on Wednesday. Looks to me like the report is already being shown to us in the charts, and very, very, very likely is that Germany will give a favorable report, give the green light to the ECB, and euro will continue higher, as will the DAX. Traders, soybeans, opposite direction. Fundamentals are supposed to always come out in the charts first, right? Once again, we know it doesn't happen 100% of the time, but let's face it, it comes out a lot of times in the charts. So, you got a market bulling ahead, bulling ahead, bulling ahead, and boom. Yesterday it breaks a major support line. Today goes to the top, hits that line, and starts to back off again. That tells me that we are running into resistance here. We got below the support of the blue line. The resistance is the red line. They come together right here. It's likely the sell spot. The downward report should come out tomorrow. Soybeans should drop because we believe that fundamentals come out in the charts first. Pull your own charts. Do your own homework. Tell me if you don't see something in this chart. So there it is, traders. My technical argument for why we have the green OMNI and the DAX, the euro, and that should pull the ES and NASDAQ with it. I just didn't mention that to you, but we're going to certainly be looking at that. It is on the board. Traders, there it is. How many people out there are brave enough to put their kahunas on the line like you just seen me do tonight for tomorrow? I am telling you that the fundamentals come out in the charts first, and I am fully convinced that that is the case. Otherwise, I wouldn't be this crazy to risk my reputation. The trolls and bashers are going to come out of the woodwork. The company's bottom line is going to go down for the month. A lot of bad stuff happens tomorrow if this doesn't work out. But if it does, you're all coming to my OMNI camp. All right, traders? Keep your emotions out of trading, and boy, you're going to need to do that tomorrow. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. German DAX and euro. Take us away, baby. Take us away. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.